Hello, my name is Donaldo Almasan, and for my short video module, I will be discussing the manufacturing of solar panels. I chose this topic because I am constantly interested in the production of different products and also how those processes can affect the environment. I wanted to explore specifically the question, how will metal scarcity affect solar panel production? There is a very wide range of metals that are currently used in solar panels and batteries. These include aluminum, cadmium, copper, iron, silver, silica, and many more. Some of these metals, such as copper and iron, are very plentiful in the Earth's crust. Yet others are what we call rare earth minerals. These metals are expensive and scarce, potentially only available in few countries. We've had many discussions on how solar panels can greatly reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and also reduce our carbon emissions. Yet solar panel production depends so much on the production of precious earth metals. Once these precious earth metals run out, how can we possibly produce any more solar panels? Through some quick research on my own, I found that this question was not uncommon. In fact, many researchers have been trying to dig up answers to this very problem. Nicola Jones, for example, wrote an article titled "A Scarcity of Rare Metals is Hindering Green Technologies." In this article, she wrote that unprecedented demand for metals created by renewable energy caused a 750% increase in price in 2011. This crisis was only resolved by brokering new trade deals within different countries. Furthermore, there's a lot of evidence that solar panels have directly caused a huge market demand for silver. While suppliers have been able to meet this demand currently by increasing their supply of silver by producing more, as with any resource available on the earth, there is only a limited amount of silver that they can produce. Once this silver runs out, we will no longer be able to produce any more solar panels. I wanted to brainstorm a few effects that this metal scarcity may cause. For example, I think that a metal scarcity crisis could cause a political turmoil over the control of precious metal mines in different countries, especially if precious metals are tied to energy production. In addition, a limited growth potential is would happen for solar panels. There would only be so many solar panels that we could produce with current technologies. In addition, prices for solar panels would skyrocket. This would make solar panels unfeasible and unlikely to take over the world energy demand that current fossil fuels take up. In addition to these effects, I also wanted to brainstorm some possible solutions. For example, recycling and repurposing old solar panels to make new ones. This would decrease the amount of new precious metals that we would have to be constantly digging up from the earth. I also found interesting a lot of new technologies that are currently in development for solar technology. These include thin film solar panels, which are solar panels only a few millimeters thick and require only a very thin layer of metal to conduct. In addition, biological and dye-based photovoltaic panels may completely replace the metal that they use to absorb or solar radiation. One of the most interesting technologies that is currently being developed, including at Rice University campus, is graphene-based conductors. These graphene-based conductors can replace very expensive and rare metals such as platinum and silver in place of conducting electricity. And this would have a huge effect on the solar panels' feasibility in basically the entire world. Thank you for your time. I hope that these issues are explored further in future discussions, and I hope that you found this presentation informative. Thank you.